morning, everyone, and welcome to Ljubljana Short Film Festival FeKK. And of course, a very warm welcome also to the second event of this year's ProFeKK industry program, which is combining a couple of events which are intended for film festival, film professionals, and so on. Special focus of ProFeKK this year is put on organizing and especially leading international film festivals, which is, at least from our experience, so from experience of Slovenian film festival organizers, a rare opportunity for film festival teams, directors to reflect on their own craft. And I think that maybe this is not only a rare opportunity for Slovenians, but also internationally. So maybe a couple of words of the origins of this idea of today's event. Peter Cerovšek, FeKK's director, attended a festival identity workshop at Ihlava International Film Festival last October, and he attended a workshop led by a Swiss expert, Jean Perret, and came back to Slovenia, came back home with a strong intention to share some of this knowledge, some of these reflections with his Slovenian colleagues. And less than a year later, Jean Perret kindly accepted a joint invitation by FeKK and also by Motovila, Creative Europe Desk here in Slovenia, to join us in Ljubljana for the whole festival, and of course to share his knowledge and experience.
Yes, good morning. Thank you to offer me some minutes just to raise some questions about what we call contemporary cinema. What does that mean? I just want to begin with showing the beginning of a film of the Filipino filmmaker Diaz, which is I think in the heart of what we're interested in.
To start this conversation, of course, most of us here and in the audience, and most of us sitting here know each other quite well. But anyway, I would like to ask you, just to make a first round to break the ice. You know, if your festival would have an identity card, an ID card, what would be written on it? And we will accompany your answers with visuals from your websites, so we have you know that you have some support on the big screen at the end. Babi and Daniel, if you feel ready to start, I would be very happy with it.